Hello, Hardreset here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your SoundCloud out on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go search again, find your SoundCloud app, right there, click your SoundCloud app and check if you have the newest version. If you have the newest version, you have open here, but if you have the available update, here you have the update bar. After you update it and still got some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go to the settings, scroll a little down, go apps, go right there, find your SoundCloud app, here we go to the permissions and allow there, allow like here, and allow this, and go back and Wi-Fi usage and unrestricted. That means you have no limit to the mobile data. After this, if you have still some issues, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to fix it. So the last way is go back to the Play Store, uninstall and just reinstall the app. After this, there shouldn't be any issues. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.